Good morning. Today we're going to do those buttermilk biscuits. We're going to start with 1 cup of self-rising flour. This recipe is for actually 2 people. It'll make 4 biscuits. We use a 1/2 cup of buttermilk and a 1/2 stick of semi-melted butter. You just mix, incorporate all the ingredients. It's going to be kind of crumbly. Once you get all of that, sprinkle you out some flour. Now you want to pat it down kind of thin, because you're going to fold it over. Wipe off the flour, fold it over again, and then pat it down. This is going to help you make some layers. Fold it over again, and let's do it one more time. All right. Now we're going to cut it out. This will make perfect biscuits. Nice and flaky. You see how easy this is? There's 3. Now you want to take this, don't overwork it, just incorporate it, flatten it back out. Now I like to make a little funny biscuit, because grandkids are always wanting one, or the dog. Now you see, just put it in there and it's ready to go in the oven. Alright, there we go. They're nice and hot. I got some melted butter. And you hear the little pitter-patter of all the grandbabies running through. It's always an enjoyable noise. There we go. As you see, they're very easy, and how they come apart, and they're flaky. I'll be showing you a lot more videos on different types of biscuits, so just keep checking back with me. Good morning. Today we're going to do those buttermilk biscuits.